Alright, it's day 144 and I am leaving the hurricane shelter. Boy, this thing was perfect for last night. Well made, really big. It's got this huge overhang and it rained like the dickens. About 3 in the morning, thunder and lightning. It rained on me pretty heavy yesterday, and you can see this thing's deep. Goes back probably 12 feet. I was snug in that corner right there. Yeah, it was perfect. Sun's out this morning, and I'm on the way. I got a little climb coming out. Then I do a descent. Then I got a big old climb. I think like 2,000 feet. And then I get to go play with some horses today. Oh man, it's going to be pretty. Anyway, I slept well. I think any day I hike a lot at long distance, I tend to sleep pretty well. Got everything organized the way I like. Got in early, even though it was a 19-mile day. Got in a little around 6-ish. And soaking wet. Got out of my wet clothes, put on my dry clothes. Made all the difference. I hear the stream running over there. It ought to be going strong this morning. Lots of rain. There's something very thrilling about pulling on wet clothes in the morning. Get you going. I do put on dry socks, but when you put dry socks and wet shoes, they're already damp. All right. My alarm went off at 6. And it was raining so hard, I just rolled back over. Kind of let it quit raining. Made for a very peaceful morning. Hurricane shelter, water. And there's the first blaze of the day. This was a steeper climb yesterday than I thought it was going to be coming out. That's what it's all about. All right, let's begin that climb. Here we go. There's a little bear cub running up there. I'm looking for Mama. Here's the bear cub on the horizon. Cute little black thing. I don't see Mama out. It'd be fun if you could see the little bear cub on the video. Real small. Bouncing around. You're standing right in the middle of the trail. I'm on top of this mountain. I think it's called Hurricane Mountain. So that's my third bear. Just met a gentleman who was doing a section hike, and he said there was a little bear cub down here 45 seconds ahead. Might have been the same one I saw, I don't know. But I'm going to have my camera ready just in case. So now I've got a long descent going down this mountain. Mushroom. I don't know why I'm taking pictures of mushrooms. They're just so neat. Oh, really? Well, I don't see it, which may be okay. Okay, I don't see them, so here we go. I'll continue down this big old descent. We make that big old climb. I might be able to get us some videos of horses today. All right. It's a bridge. A big old stream. Oh, a rock up there. So here we go. You see the fog coming up off of the stream. Be careful here, wet wood. And boom, there's a white blaze. Here we go. All right, I'm here at the Old Orchard Shelter. This is kind of a regular shelter. Got my stuff in there. Stopped by to get a little snack, get some water. Getting ready to head on up. Here we go. Oh yeah. I'm gonna change my name from Breeder to Drought Killer. It's been like this for 2 days. Yesterday it was pouring. Last night it was pouring. And it'd be pouring right now. Yeah, sing from John Denver. Sunshine. Oh well. You get the idea. Woo! Alright, climbing this mountain. Here we go. All right, I'm walking down the trail, and they're little bitty horses. Hey, little horses. You're okay. Very pretty. How cool is that? Look, here's another horse. Oh, I found something in the trail that came from a horse. Nah. There you go. Hey, pretty horse. That is cool. All right, day 144. I'm inside some corral here. It's really kind of cool. I met these two guys. They're section hikers. What's y'all's trail names?
What's up?
I'm Shepherd. We're figuring out. Yours is
I go with Takeoff.
Takeoff.
Takeoff, and here's their real cool partner. This is Bear Bait down here. Bear Bait, yeah.
He's the best hiker of us all.
He flies, I can tell. All right, guys. Where you from?
Raleigh, North Carolina.
Raleigh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I met a lady yesterday who was from Raleigh, North Carolina.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
we go to school up in the mountains here.
All right, sounds cool. All right, guys, have a good one. All right. This is what I'm doing here. Popped out of the woods. I'm following a trail. Just got out of that corral. Made a climb. So you can see across the valley. Kinda. Still foggy from all the rain. Just went by and had some blackberries. That's always cool. Reminds me of my grandmother. My grandmother on my dad's side, she used to make blackberry cobblers. Man, they were good. Blackberry cobblers, and they put a little ice cream in there. Very tasty. Saw some longhorn bulls when we came out of that corral. I was in the old west there for a second. I see a little blue sky way up ahead. That'd be nice. One thing I really like about this Patagonia shirts, they dry so quickly. It's already dry. Now, not everything else is, but that is. I've got one I don't even put on my rain jacket much, unless it's just a torrential downpour. All right, I see the trail up ahead. There's a horse on it. It's kind of cool seeing these little horses. I remember when I was up in Maine, you saw moose poop everywhere. Now it appears to be horse poop. Yeah. Little rocks poking up. So this is the Virginia Highlands. I believe that's what they say. Well, we're definitely out of the forest. I guess this was Virginia's equivalent to the Franconia Notch. I remember climbing up that thing going north. And you're going out of the woods, all of a sudden you pop up into the alpine zone. And then, bam, no vegetation and just rocks. It's like you're on another planet. And now we got this. It's not quite another planet, but sure is cool. I'm gonna risk something. I think these are blueberries. I hope so. Oh yeah, man. Oh, those are good. Blueberries, blackberries. It's berrylicious here. So this looks like a mama horse and a baby horse. I guess that'd be a colt. I have my cousin's daughter. I'm gonna call it my first cousin once removed. I never get that straight, but that's what I'm gonna call her. And she's a vet, studying vet, going to vet school. And she loves horses. You ought to come up here and do a dissertation or something on these things. These are fascinating. I'll just keep it running until I come up here to them. Try a carrot or something. I had some peppermint. I can't find it. My dad always feeds the horses peppermint. Look at these horses. This is cool. Hey little horses. Are y'all nice? Are you friendly? I saw a YouTube video of a guy getting kicked by a horse. I do not want that to happen to me. Hey, how you doing? Look at that. You're very pretty. You're a pretty little horse. Okay, I'm not gonna bother you. I'll go over here. Well, I was trying to get out of your way. Isn't that cool? I'm following Mama. There you go. I'll give you a wide berth. Bye, little horses. That is precious. All right, here we go. Look at all these blueberries. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna eat a few. These look wonderful. Yummy. Oh my goodness. This trail is so cool. My friend Chop said I'd enjoy this. He said he had trouble hiking through it because he'd stop and look. My problem is I keep stopping and eating blueberries. I hear that blueberries are antioxidants. I don't know what an oxidant is. I don't think there'll be one within a mile of me after all these blueberries. They are yummy. Kind of cool. Just reach down and grab a handful of blueberries. See the low clouds over there. This is a neat section. Thought I heard the roar of thunder. The rumble of thunder, I guess I should say. somewhere else. I'm like, oh Lordy, here we go again. Oh, that's it. No oxidants. Oh, look at all the berries. Look right here. Easy. Just reach up there and go. Boop. They are yummy. There, you stay away, you oxidant, you. All right, Chops, I wish you were here with me. You would enjoy this section. I bet it'd be spectacular. Oh, there's a big valley up ahead. If it weren't drizzling on me. Well, I see no rain, no pain, no Maine. I've been to Maine. I've experienced a little pain, and I'm experiencing a lot of rain. So, there you go. This is cool. All right, liking me some more bridges here. Well, you can tell it's rained a lot. This is water stained. Still pretty cool though. I see another bridge up here. These old gnarly roots. They're like, I'm gonna throw you down. Gotta watch out for the roots. That's right, Crystal. Oh, this isn't a bridge, this is a gate. All right, here we go through the gate.
Okay, you gonna take it around?
All right, here we go. It's day 144, and I'm hiking through this pretty place, and I ran into these two guys, and they are from North Augusta. That's where lovely Mrs. Greeter's from, and they know exactly where Campbellton Drive, where they grew up. So that's so cool.
Yeah.
And do y'all have trail names?
Not yet. Nobody's given us one.
Oh, y'all need a trail name. I'll let y'all come up with your own. I won't give you one. So, all right. It sure is nice meeting you guys.
It was nice to meet you, Greta.
Hey. All right. More little ponies. All right. Here's more of a view. Some rocks back there. This is pretty. Kind of popped out of the woods, and then you're on top. Not sure which way the trail goes. I see something tall over there, so my guess is it goes there. All right, here we go. This is a cool view. I came over those peaks, and when I did, I pointed out this peak. And I said to myself, I bet we go right over it. Sure enough, you can just kind of see the ridge going up here. And I'm not at the top yet. It may be spectacular. I don't know. We'll find out. It's definitely turned rocky. I thought I was in Pennsylvania there for a second. Horse poopy. More rocks. Kind of have steps going up here. Started sprinkling on me a while ago. Again. Maybe it'll hold off. Going up. Need an elevator. Lord, I got a ways to go yet. I'll just turn it back on later. I did this little rock climb. Very nice. There's the trail. Still goes that way. I'll probably go up to the top of that thing. The difference between these climbs and the ones up north is these guys have blackberries. They love the trees. This reminds me of being up north. Then you make this turn. What a view. That's gorgeous. That is just pretty. Now if I found me another blackberry. Some trail goes up there, but I'm hiking the Appalachian Trail. It goes this way. Look at these. They feel like cedar. They're not friendly like fir. You probably can't guess that it rained. Ooh, yeah, baby. So I gotta go here this way. Yeah. Oh, it's a pretty view. Clouds are rolling in. Come ahead, put the camera up for a while. Keep from falling and busting my buttocks. Alright, this is something called Fat Man Squeeze. I guess I'm gonna have to squeeze between some rocks up here. There's the alternative route if you're claustrophobic. I remember the lemon squeeze up north. Oh wow, that's gonna be tight. Okay, I'm gonna have to switch hands. Maybe I won't make this up. I have the ball. Ooh, yeah, this is the squeeze part. Yeah, it is. I can see how somebody who's a little claustrophobic, oops, cutting my hand, would not like this. Well, thank goodness I've lost weight. All right, I officially have walked through the Fat Man Squeeze. And I'm out. And there's the alternative route. That is tall. Very cool, very cool. Chops, I don't know if you can get through that now. You put on some weight, I noticed. And okay, not really, but I have some fun with you. Okay. Splish splash, I'm a coming. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Get me out of this mess. I'm almost out of here. There we go. Fat man squeeze. That's funny. There have been several of those on the trail. Then there was that one that was the maze. Went back and forth. It's kind of cool. Oh, am I out of this stuff? Yes. Okay, which way? No trail. Here's the trail. Ah, it's all worthwhile. Black bear. I know videos don't do this justice. I just turned this corner and stepped in here, and all this lovely evergreen scent just nearly overwhelmed me. It's wonderful. Man, kind of reminds me of the north or up toward Mount LeConte. They have all the evergreen up there. It just is a wonderful smell. All right, I'm getting close to the shelter. About a mile, less than a mile. And I'm about ready for it. Today was tougher than I thought it was going to be. I had a bunch of climbs, and when the terrain got up here, got a little crazy. But I saw a bear cub, saw a whole bunch of horses, saw some longhorn cows. I thought I was in Texas there for a minute. And met some nice people, some great views. Now just get me to the shelter and get these wet socks off, so I can dry my feet. Then I think I'm gonna be okay. Day 44 on the Appalachian Trail. This has been an interesting day, good day. A lot of different stuff. All right, here we go. I would have been at the shelter 45 minutes ago. I keep finding these black bears. They're so good. I better get out of here. All the bears, they like blackberries too. They sure are good. All right, let's keep on going. Unless I see more blackberries. I have a weakness. Oh, those aren't ready yet. There's one way back in there. I'm not going after it. This is beautiful scenery. Got the mountains. Ooh, I see rain over there. Stay over there, rain. Oh, more blackberries. Some over there that are done. Where's 1, 2, 3. Oh, I dropped one. Man, those are good. Look at this. And that's a little. Uh-oh, there's rain up ahead. I better get on it here.